Yo guys, hey, how's it going? My day number 24 right now. I will speak English every single day until get fluent. My challenge, let's continue doing it. Today was a really great day. I got full of energy right now because after boxing, now I'm saying, bro, let's do sports. Let's not gonna stop, bro. Alright, and in this beautiful evening, it's the best time to just sit here with you guys and share my thoughts about some topic in English. Why not? Let's have a great time together. Let's drink water and enlarge our own minds. Clothing and fashion. Do you like shoes? Obviously, I do like shoes, especially some stylish sneakers. My favorite brand, actually, without shoes, but sneakers, is definitely Nike, because I got used to buy Nike since I was a kid. It's really comfortable for me. It fits me perfectly. I like this brand, I like this style. I really like the company, this industry Nike. The slogan, just do it, about sport activities, about just activities in this life, that we need to do something, we need to reach goals, we need to step next level and improve ourselves every single day. I like this position, really. How often do you buy shoes? I don't really often buy shoes, buy sneakers. It depends on conditions, the current shoes what I have. If I see, for example, that my current Nike is really old, it's ripped, it's crumpled, it's so dirty that you not be able to wash it up, then I would buy a new sneakers. Approximately, I buy new Nikes, and I'm not rich right now. Because of this, I have a budget limit to buy sneakers. I can't afford myself to buy what I really want and what I really inspired with. But I can find some cheaper versions of the sneakers and buy it. Maybe two times a year or 3 times a year I can afford myself to buy new sneakers, to buy new Nike, to brandly new. Besides this, obviously I have another shoes, like just for walking, just to play football, always special types of shoes. It's also Nike. In my village I have shoes for working on a corp, you know, this village type of shoes that you can go even in a dirty, in a messy territory in these shoes. Do you prefer comfortable or good looking shoes? I can't really claim you that I prefer or comfortable or good looking, because I'm not gonna wear my shoes if this totally uncomfortable for me and I feel pain maybe if I wear this. So I will choose to try unite comfortability with good looking shoes. By the way, I've got experience in my life when I bought really expensive, the most expensive shoes in my life. I'm gonna show it to you right now. It's a little bit now it's a little bit dirty, but these shoes, it costs $250. We got American flag and a game set match. Now I'm saying sport. Really, it looks like Nike, but not Nike. Yeah, I bought it in one of the most expensive rich store in Moscow, so that's what I'm proud of. But first day when I wore these shoes, these sneakers, it was god awful. Really, I'm telling you, I feel so pain because this back frame, it was really so strong and tight, and it tore my back part of leg. Yeah, seriously, I got bleeding. I was bleeding, literally, guys, can you imagine that? But now, after several days of wearing, it's pretty good right now. It's totally comfortable for me and I enjoy it so much right now. Other my shoes, it's much more cheaper. It costs about $30, $40, $50. It's not original Nikes, it's fake Nikes, but it looks really great, it's brilliant. You can't even find the difference between origin and fake Nike if you're not proficient in this sneakers area. Have you ever bought shoes online? Yes, I did. Obviously, in Russia, we got a two service really develops, and we prefer to buy not only shoes, any clothes online right now. It's much more comfortable, much bigger assortment, and it makes our life really more easier. We can lie in our bed and just scrolling and find what we want to buy. Nice, guys. What kind of sneakers do you prefer? Maybe it's Adidas or Nike or Puma, or something else. Guys, share with me what's the most popular shoes in your country. By the way, quick announcement. I'm sorry, but I won't be able to publish video the next 1-2 days, because I'm gonna visit my hometown Belgrade. I will film videos there. I will film every single day, but I can't take my laptop with myself, so I just leave it here in dormitory, and on Sunday I will come back to dormitory and upload these 2 videos just in one time. Now I'm saying thank you everyone for being here. Let's go, let's continue learning languages. Bye bye.